Chapter 13. Sentences. Learn with me. Read these group of words. First, A. Is boy a good Sohan? B. Sohan is a good boy. 2. A. Motherland my India is. B. India is my motherland. Do the words in 1A and 2A make any sense? No, they don't. Do the words in 1B and 2B make any sense? Yes, they do. Thus, we see that when the words are placed in their proper order, they form a sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Remember, while writing a sentence, remember 3 things. 1. The word must be put in proper order to give a complete sense. 2. It begins with a capital letter. 3. It always ends with either a full stop or a question mark or a sign of exclamation.